This video will show you how to record your citations for articles that you find in Global Issues and Context, which is a Gale database. Let's, for example, do a search for Ebola. And we come up with this Ebola page. We can see we've got global viewpoints, references, statistics, newspapers, and magazines. Before we begin, we should open up a new tab and log into our EasyBib. Create a new project. I'll call this one Ebola, perhaps current events. Leave everything else the same. Make sure you're in APA and click Create. Once you have your new project, click on Bibliography underneath to open up your project. Now go back to our database and let's try a few citations of a few different articles. Let's go into the Viewpoints section to begin with. And this is a listing of different editorials and opinions from news and magazines from around the world. Let's just pick the first one, Ebola Unchecked. And we can see how Global Issues sets up their articles. We give you information about the title, the source, so this is the Washington Post, the name of the newspaper that the article was in, the date, June 30th, 2014. So this is the information that we need in order to do our citation. What's really nice with the Gale resources is that you can export the citation to EasyBib. In order to do that, you need to find something that says Citation Tools. In this database, it's right up here in the top right-hand corner. So I'm going to click Citation Tools, and we need to click on the APA tab because that's what we're using. Now, over here, very nicely, we have a button that says EasyBib. So click on EasyBib, and you'll notice that up here, EasyBib is refreshing. So let's go to our EasyBib tab, and we can see that the citation has been placed right in our EasyBib. If we check our citation, we can see that it's indicated that it's a newspaper article, the title of the article, Ebola Unchecked, the date, the newspaper, the Washington Post, and we retrieved it from Global Issues and Context, which is the name of the database. Another nice feature of EasyBib is that you can always get back to the article by clicking on the More button and choosing Link, and this will open up the article directly from the database. This means that EasyBib acts like a bookmarking tool for you. Let's go back then to find another article and cite it also in EasyBib. To get back to your results, you go back to the top here, and you can see that this is a little breadcrumb for you, so we can click on Ebola, which will bring us back to our Ebola page. This time, let's go down and choose a magazine article, so we'll click on View All 78. Let's narrow our search by subject and click on the subject Ebola virus. And perhaps we will pick this Outbreak article by Patricia Smith. We can see again the title of the article, the name of the author this time, the New York Times up front, which is the magazine, and the date. Once again, we click Citation Tools, and you actually don't have to click APA. If you don't, it'll still work. Click EasyBib, and EasyBib refreshes and gives you our new article citation, which is right here. If we check our article citation, we can see that something is missing. The article actually did have an author, and EasyBib has not put it in, so you do have to make corrections if you can see that something is missing. So in this case, we will click Edit, and we need to fill in the author in this blank author part. So we go back to our article, and we can see that the author is Patricia Smith. So we will type in Patricia Smith in first and last name, and then we will go down and update the citation. We can see now that we have our author, so that is now correct. Unfortunately, it does put the full long link in, but we'll just have to live with that. If you'd like to have everything match up so that all of your citations have the long link, then just click Edit in a citation, scroll down and update the citation, and all of your sources will have the link that you can use to go directly to it. As a reminder, when you are finished and you want to print your references, you simply go to the Export button, click Print as a Word doc, and click Download and Open, or whatever is asked for you, depending on the browser you're using, and it will open up in Word with your references all formatted correctly.